Here's a 2018 INFINITI QX60. Fierce yet versatile, aggressive yet refined, exciting yet luxurious. This is an SUV where it all blends in glorious harmony. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: V6 engine, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, dual-zone climate control, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Every inch, every feature, every innovation has been designed to inspire, enhance, and fulfill your potential. Infiniti is you, amplified. Hurry in today for a test drive.
At Arizona Car Sales, the price you see is the best upfront price, and you don't have to negotiate for it. Get the car, truck, or SUV you want and experience the Arizona Car Sales difference today.